Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit your clips in SteelSeries Moments. So what you'll need to do is basically go to your SteelSeries GG, then Moments, and you'll see your all clips as you can see right here. And basically what you'll need to do is click on your clip, and as you can see this is my clip. And how you can edit that, you can turn off audio device if you want to, or just lower the volume down, the chat device, and basically you can mute at all if you need to. And basically you can trim something if you need to. So let's say I want to trim the intro, so it will be like that. I will take this end and trim it like this. And if I want to trim like this, just take the other end and drag with the mouse. Also, you can change canvas size if you want to 19 by 16 or the original one. And to save trim, just click Save Trim. It will take a little bit, and basically then you'll be able to share your clip. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you can edit the clips in SteelSeries Moments app. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.